Hi folks, Mark there to see you here from My Mobile Mentor, tutoring, team building and screen acting. Today I want to talk to you about the who factor. Who might screen acting actually be beneficial for? And that's a great question because you might be from the corporate sector, you've got a big speech coming up and you have no idea how you're expected to not only learn the lines but deliver a speech to a whole live audience. How nerve-wracking. But we can help with that. We have the resources and we can give you the rewarding experience that goes with it. We also service and cater for primary school students, secondary school students, tertiary students, adult learners, no matter who you are, where you come from, or what your age group might be. We have the tools to help you, and we would love an opportunity to hear from you. So feel free to contact us on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au, both actors and non-actors. We'd love an opportunity to hear from you. Drop us a line. Let us know what's happening. Project, task, or objective, we would love to help you. So thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to your inquiry. And here's to the art of self-expression through great self-confidence. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Have a great day.